How do you get a credit line to start a business? Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite. And by the end of this video, you're going to know several different ways you can get credit lines to actually get your business off the ground. So one of the best ways to get financing to start a business is a program we call UBF, or Unsecured Business Financing. With UBF, you can get up to $150,000 in credit lines with 0% interest rates, even as a startup. There's no cash flow verification. They don't ask for bank statements. They don't ask for tax returns. So even if you're getting your business off the ground and using the money to get your business off the ground, you can still get approved. You can still qualify. And you can even take the cash out of these credit lines. So you can use them to purchase the things you need or take cash out in the instances that you only need cash. Want that program? Well, go to creditsuite.com/get funding to fill out a handful of questions and we'll get you approved. Or you can also give us a ring at 877-600-2487. Now, another great way to get credit lines for your business is to be able to actually tap into collateral that you may own or somebody else that wants to pledge that collateral owns, that they're helping you get your business off the ground. 401ks, stocks, bonds, IRAs are the most common kind of collateral you can use to get credit lines against. As a matter of fact, you can even get credit lines with interest rates of 5% that's not based on consumer credit quality. So credit doesn't matter. You can get them as a startup, so cash flow doesn't matter as well. Now, if you aren't affixed on the credit line and you're open to loans, well, then account receivable financing, purchase order financing, equipment financing, all these become available options for you. You can even get financing to buy an insurance agency or to be able to flip homes, to buy the home and rehab the home. You can get all kinds of loans to also help get your business off the ground if you're not attached to just the credit lines. But if you are really affixed on revolving credit, well, then consider business credit. Business credit is one of the only kind of financing you can get that's not reliant on personal guarantees, personal credit checks, and it's also not reliant on cash flow or collateral. That's right. You can get business credit regardless of collateral, cash flow, and consumer credit. And you do so by getting vendor accounts that report to the reporting agencies, getting retail credit with the retail credit tier, which is credit like Amazon, Best Buy. You can get credit at places like Sam's Club, Costco, Office Depot, Staples, Lowe's, Home Depot. Most major retailers offer this kind of credit. You can even get auto financing, and you can even get Visa cards and MasterCard revolving credit, all without a personal guarantee and personal credit check building your business credit. So we just talked about some of the many options that are available for you to get funding to start a business. If you'd like to learn more, visit us online at creditsuite.com or get approved at creditsuite.com/get funding.